Two poultry operations in Renville County have been struck by bird flu, including one with over 400,000 chickens. The Minnesota Board of Animal Health says the farms with presumptive positive test results announced Wednesday included one with 415,000 young chickens that had not started laying eggs, and a turkey farm where the flock size was not immediately available. The two new cases mark the 7th and 8th in Renville County. They raised the number of Minnesota farms affected to 106. The total number of bird producers have lost is now nearly 8.9 million.
If you've enjoyed this segment of Lakeland News, please consider making a tax-deductible contribution to Lakeland Public Television.